Hello and welcome to the second part of the verb translation, translating from English to Luo. Now if you did not see the first part of the video, you can get through, search our link and get the first part, or alternatively I'll just do a quick recap, a 20-second recap of what we talked about and then give you the second part. Alright, so verbs are doing words, and I'll just give a list how to translate, how to talk about them in Luo. Sleep, nindo. Wake, chiew. Play, tugo. Somo, ndiko. Remember, these things are already in the first part of the video. Sing, wer. Dance, miel. Pray, lemo. Cook, tedo. Eat, chiemo. Drink, madho. Come, biro. Go, dhi. Walk, wuotho. Run, ringo. That's a recap of the first video. Please, if you want to know more about that, then you can check through our links and you'll find it. Alright, so today let's talk about part 2, and then this part talks about the verbs and examples in sentences so that we can place an example to the verb. Starting with nyiero, which is buy. Now when you say nyiero, it means, I don't know, can you see? Oh, sorry, you cannot see. There we go. Buy nyiero. In the example, adwa nyieo law ma iuso. Adwa nyieo law ma iuso. That means I want to buy the cloth that you're selling. Sell. Sell is uso, as you saw in the first video. Idwa uso na ango. This is a question. Idwa uso na ango. What do you want to sell to me? Alright? Laugh. Nyiero. Ka ipodho, abiro nyiero. Ka ipodho, abiro nyiero. When you fall, I will laugh. Cry, yuak. Cry, yuak. Yuak. Nyathino yuak nango. What is making the baby cry? Nyathino yuak nango. Alright? Drive. Riembo. Riembo. Owadwa maduong' riembo nyamburko. Owadwa maduong' riembo nyamburko. My elder brother drives a car. Make, loso. Adwa loso gima chandi. Adwa loso gima chandi. And I didn't try the translation. That would translate to, I would like to make whatever is disturbing you. That might be loosely translated. Sit, bait. Bait, not bet. Bait. Bait. Let's say this together. Bait. Good. Onyisa ni odhi bet etie yien. There's supposed to be a Y somewhere here. Onyisa ni odhi bet etie yien. He told me that he is going to sit under a tree. Stand. Chung. Stand. Chung. Let's say together. Chung. Good. Chung malo ka iwuoyo koda. Chung malo ka iwuoyo koda. Stand up when talking to me. Alright? Visit. Limo. Visit. Limo. Limo. Ka iloro, idhi limo mama. Ka iloro, idhi limo mama. When the school session ends, you will visit mother. Dream, lake, dream, lake. Weche magalagala nobiro na e lake. Weche magalagala nobiro na e lake. Strange ideas came to me in my dream. Good. Arrive, chopo. Arrive, chopo. Achopo sa ang'wen. Achopo sa ang'wen. I will arrive at 10 o'clock. Return, duoko. Duoko. Duok na nanga mane ikao cha. Duok na nanga mane ikao cha. Return the dress that you took earlier. Answer, duoko. Sorry. I just talked about return to be duoko, but it is duok. Return is duok. Duok. Return, duok, not duoko. Answer, duoko. Answer, duoko. Mano doko duoko. What an answer. Mano doko duoko. What an answer. Enter. Donj. Donj. Donj gi koni. Mar wuok nigi kocha. Donj gi koni. Mar wuok nigi kocha. Enter this way. The exit is on the other end. Remember or think is paro. Paro. Ka aparo to adhi mede e kwan. Ka aparo to adhi mede e kwan. If I remember, I will incorporate him in the budget. Say, watch. Say, watch. Watch ne ni abiro sani. Watch ne ni abiro sani. Tell him that I'm on my way right now. Speak. Wuo. 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 Wuo kode sama ochopo kanyo. Wuo kode sama ochopo kanyo. Speak to him when he arrives. Talk. Los. Talk. Los. Los koda nyako. Los koda nyako. Talk to me, girl. So, but los, wuo would be interchangeably used in a sentence. And finally, listen. Winjo. Listen, feel, understand would still be roughly translated to winjo. Anyalo winjo ka opuonja kwano. I can understand when he teaches me math. Alright? So remember that to actually learn the pronunciation, you can play the video and pause and practice. That way you will compare what you're saying with what's on the video, and then you learn better. Alright? So let me just go back to the beginning, and then I'll just talk about the words. Nyiero. Uso. Nyiero. Yuak. Riembo. Loso. Bet. Chung. Limo. Lek. Chopo. Duok. Duoko. Donj. Paro. Wach. Wuo. Los. Winjo. Thank you and have a good day.